Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 1104 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I am so excited to try out this gorgeous Nomad Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. So this is their new launch and this is the Iceland Fire and Ice palette. Here's Dexter popping into another video. So you might have seen this in one of my recent PR unboxing videos, and I am so grateful to Nomad Cosmetics for sending this to me. And I like to give the disclaimer that this was sent to me for free, but this is not a sponsored video, and of course all of my videos are always completely honest. But I love Nomad Cosmetics. I've tried out their eyeshadow palettes before and absolutely love them. I think they are a very loved brand. I think a lot of people really love them. So you can get this palette on the Nomad Cosmetics website for $37. And I just want to read you the description of it because it's beautiful. So it says, this palette, the main color story focuses on the frosty blue, silver gray tones that are seen when you travel throughout the incredible landscape. Bright fire shades divide the palette just as Iceland is divided by a path of volcanic activity. Finally, there are the dancing shimmers of northern lights in vivid green and dazzling purples. In total, 8 glimmering shimmers and 7 majestic mattes inspired by the land of fire and ice. So let's see the palette. But look at this gorgeous packaging. It's also cruelty-free and vegan, but it's so nice. It kind of has a texture to the packaging. And love that there's a big mirror, and look at these. These are big pans and they are so beautiful because they have little designs in the texture of each color. So here you can see those textures in the pans. So I am so excited to play with this. All right, but first I'm gonna start out with some swatches. So for the fun of it, I'm just gonna pick up a few. Oh my gosh, these have such a beautiful texture. They feel so buttery and they look so beautifully pigmented. Oh my gosh, I love that green. Wow, that has some bluish sparkle to it. Wow. Oh, a gorgeous purple shimmer. Oh my gosh, such a pigmented orange. Such a pigmented teal. Those mattes are amazing. Ooh, and then this one's like a glitter red. Wow, I am very impressed by these. The colors are so bright and pigmented. Oh my gosh. So whenever I review an eyeshadow palette, I try it out with and without an eyeshadow primer. So I'm going to apply my Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion to just one of my eyes so that we can see if there's any difference with and without the primer. And just applying that all over, lid to brow bone. Okay, and now I don't think I would normally choose this as my first highlight shade, but when I swatched this purple, it was such a pretty light shimmer. So I'm gonna probably do a very colorful eyeshadow look. So we're just gonna go for it, and I'm gonna take this purple shimmer as my brow highlight. Oh my gosh. Okay, yeah, that is looking super pigmented. I'm gonna try and blend it out a little bit. But that is so pretty. I love this kind of ultraviolet sparkling shade. And we're gonna work from the brow down. So starting from the top. I'm feeling particularly drawn to the shimmery shades in this, but I think for the transition, I wanna take this really pretty matte teal shade. And I'm gonna blend that from the crease up to the brow bone, and oh my gosh, this color is so pretty. It's so bright that even with it diffused out, because I want to keep it pretty light for the transition, it still is bright. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. And it's definitely buildable. So I'm trying to just go in with a little bit to not make it too crazy since it's just the transition area here. It's so easy to blend, great pigment. Oh, this is fun. The teal color kind of has like green tones to it. So I'm actually gonna pick up this beautiful shimmery green tone to be the next color in this kind of icy rainbow and focus this right into the crease. Oh my gosh. That's actually such a beautiful transition from that teal to this green. And look at how bright this green is. I'm seriously getting the Northern Lights vibes from this crease brow bone area. But gosh, the formula of this green is amazing. I only am lightly touching my brush to the pan and there is so much pigment. It's so bright. Like, how fun is this? I kind of just want this to be bright and fun. Like, I really like these dark shades that normally I would put in the corner, the outer corner, but I just want to keep going with the bright, shimmering shades. Like this one here. Like, I was calling the other purple ultraviolet. This one is super ultraviolet. So let's apply some of this onto the lid. And oh my gosh, is that pigmented and bright and just so pretty. Like, these are the colors that make my eyes so happy to look at. They're so fun. I just have to get a little bit, oh my gosh, of this teal green. Oh my gosh, this is like a duochrome. That's such a great transition. Oh my gosh, this color kind of reminds me of like a mermaid. That is so pretty. It's kind of like a purpley and teal shifting shimmer. Oh my gosh. And then I'm gonna take the lighter blue shimmer. Oh my gosh. Which is almost silvery, but so incredibly pigmented. Like, the formulas of Nomad Cosmetics eyeshadows are amazing. Like, I didn't even think shimmers could be this bright, but look at that. And now that I'm looking at like my full face in the viewfinder, not just the eye, like, I actually love how this full look is coming together. Just gonna do a little bit of blending. But these colors, when you look at the palette, you're like, wow, that's colorful, but so cohesive. Oh my gosh. I think I just have to use that beautiful green shimmer on the bottom lash line because it kind of has some blue in it as well. So I think it will be the perfect color to tie this whole look together. Oh, I love this shade of green. It kind of matches like my natural eye color. So I definitely am going to be using this green shade a lot. Oh my gosh. Like, these colors, these shades are so beautiful. I feel like I keep saying that, but I just can't get over it. When I look at them, I'm like, they're so bright, so opaque, so pigmented, so sparkly. Oh, there's just so many directions that you could go in with this palette. I was looking on their website and there were some beautiful examples of looks created from this palette. You should definitely check them out. I'm like, my look here is nothing compared to those, but I'm still loving my eyeshadow look right now. It really is like icy Northern Lights vibes, and I have always loved the Northern Lights. I remember in college I went to school for fashion, merchandising, design, and just this general kind of fashion degree. And in one of my classes we did a digital fashion collection that we designed, and we used CAD, computer aided design, and I did a whole collection around the Northern Lights. So I took this beautiful image of the Northern Lights and I took portions of the image and just turned the image into patterns and made a whole collection of Northern Lights apparel. And I just have loved the Northern Lights. Like, they're just so beautiful, and I've never seen them in person, but it's on my bucket list to do so. So that just makes me love this palette even more. So let me know if you have tried out this palette and what kind of looks you have created. I can't wait to play around with this and make even more beautiful looks. Like, I could do a whole opposite eyeshadow look from what I have here and do a fiery look, like so many options. And the formulas of these are just absolutely perfect. But so thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.